You know, sometimes life can get real challenging. I've been being still for a minute, y'all. It's like it had got a little challenging, you know. Uh, some of us wear our struggle a little better than others, and I guess I make the struggle look a little too good. Um, and so, I guess I've gained haters for that reason. Sometimes the struggle look too good. Sorry, y'all. Trying to pause. I was just trying to pause, let the people go by. Um, but um, I am a very humble person. Um, I'm not arrogant at all, but I do have great confidence in myself. Do love myself, and some people mistake that confidence for arrogance, and they always want to humble me, but can't humble somebody that's already humble. Like I said, I'm a humble person. Usually, um, when I'm struggling, pretty much don't nobody know I'm struggling because I still live my life the same way I always do, you know. I continue to pray and go about my day and do what I got to do, and talk to God, the angels, the ancestors about it, and work through my struggles the best way I can. I guess basically same as other people, you know. But sometimes I guess when you're not whining and you're not complaining and you're not begging others for things, they feel like you just being arrogant or you just on your ego. And like I say, I'm not that person at all, y'all. I am a very humble person. I try to be kind to everybody that I can. I try to give when I can, even if, excuse me, even if it's my last. I try to give when I can, and sometimes it just ain't enough for some people. And I've learned the hard way, I guess you could say. I ain't gonna say I guess. I've learned the hard way. You can't please everybody. I spent a lot of years trying to be a people pleaser and please everybody and make everybody happy, and you know, wanting to see everybody do good and wanting to see everybody shine. But I wasn't getting that same love and energy in return, y'all. So I decided to go within and just take my prayer to a next level with God and just ask God to like take over my life and walk with me, talk with me, guide me. Let me know what I need to do to make changes in my life to get different results, because I had tried everything, like I said, to be kind to people, to give, to do whatever, regardless of how I was being treated. Uh, I was still giving. I was still loving. I still have that loving, kind heart. I've been through a lot that I don't talk about. I've been through a lot that I don't complain about. I've been through a lot that I don't look like I've been through. Um, but I say all this to say, y'all, I am a different person. No, definitely. I am ever evolving, but I can tell y'all today, October 2nd, 2025, I am a different person. I'm not who I used to be. I'm not that people pleaser that I used to be. So, anybody that wants to be in my life from this day forward, you're going to have to stand on love. You're going to have to stand on respect, gonna have to stand on honor, morals, good standing morals. You're gonna have to stand on that if you want to be in my life. I don't look for nobody to be perfect. I'm not perfect, but I'm not as forgiving as I used to be. I don't turn a blind eye like I used to. When you show me your ass, I'm gonna give you the door. I don't want to argue. I don't want to stress about it. I don't want to destroy the peace in my life because I got a lot of peace in my life at this point. It took a lot to get to that point. It took a lot of prayer, love, a lot of tears. It took a lot to get to this point of peace that I'm at, and I'm not getting rid of it. It's not going no way. I'm not going to allow nobody to ruin my peace. I love life. I love giving. I love people, you know. I love joy and having fun. And I don't think nothing is wrong with that. I do have a motto of, I like to say, throw love and light on dirt and keep shining bright. That motto of throwing love and light on dirt and keep shining bright is not to say that I'm just all love and light every day. Because anybody who know me know I ain't all love and light every day. I try to be, but I ain't all love and light every day. Sometimes that mean girl come out. Sometimes people press me to be the mean girl. And then when I get to being the mean girl, they be looking like, oh my gosh, who is she? She's always so loving life. She's always so nice. Who is this mean girl? And I'm such love and light and a nice girl all the time, y'all. People don't even know I got a mean girl in me. So when they meet the mean girl, they think the nice girl's fake. They think the person that be throwing love and light on that dirt, they think she fake. And I'm not fake. I just like to keep a peaceful life, and I will turn a blind eye, like I say, to some things. I will ignore some things. Nobody's perfect, but what you can't keep doing is showing me your ass and think I ain't gonna give you the dough, because I am, with the quickness. Ain't no dry rotted fruit around these pots no more. And get your ass on so you can go heal and grow for yourself. Or not. You don't have to. But just know it took a lot for me to get to this peaceful point in my life, and I ain't giving it up for nobody. So, please, please, sit down with yourself. Reflect with yourself daily. Sit down daily. Reflect. What part you playing? Understand your energy. Know your energy. The only way you can do that is to sit alone with yourself to understand and know your energy. That way you can know when it's your energy, or when somebody projecting that energy on you, you know. I've sat with myself long enough to know when somebody's projecting their energy on me. I constantly go within. I constantly go ghost and sit by myself to reflect. This time, I probably did it a little longer than I usually do. But I had a lot more bullshit to get rid of this time, you know. But yeah, I've been ghost. I'd say probably about 3 years now, y'all. I've been ghost, but I'm back. I promise you I'm back. I'm gonna be back outside. Maybe not every day, but I'm finna be back out here there more and more. Because I got a business I wanna maintain, should I say. I ain't gonna say get off the ground because my business has been off the ground. I got a business that I wanna maintain and build and expand, make some further things happen. The only way I can do that is if I get outside and start talking to more people, speaking to more people, interacting. So today I'm out. I'm interacting, I'm talking and speaking to more people. And I thought I'd shoot a video, post, because I usually don't ever do face-to-face videos like this with y'all. I'm usually like demonstrating and trying to teach a little skill or, you know, something like that, what I'm posting. But today I just wanted to have a little conversation, speak a little bit about me. I will do this a little more often. I can tell y'all in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. My motto: continue to throw love and light on that dirt. Keep shining bright. And that's not to say to turn a blind eye to bull. Sometimes you gotta let that inner lion roar. And when it's necessary, let your inner lion roar. And don't let nobody make you feel bad about making your, let your inner lion roar. Don't let nobody make you feel bad when you gotta bring that lion out and let it roar a little bit, you know. Don't let nobody make you feel bad about that. Because clearly, lion roaring for a reason. They gave you a reason. So, thanks for watching today. It's your girl Jack, checking in from Belle Isle. Sitting down here at, I want to say, I guess this is like the fishing point, fishing dock. I still love Sunset Point, but I'm down here early part of the day today. So, I like this bench area over here. By the fishing dock, chilling. So I'm gonna continue to enjoy my day, and I catch y'all on the next video. It's your girl Jack. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Bye. Have a good day.